let customers pick their store location before browsing your products. With the Frontend Location Selector, visitors can quickly select their store and see the correct products, prices, and stock for that location. So in this video, I will show you how the Frontend Location Selector works. This feature allows customers to choose their store location before shopping. You can simply select location from here. We have more model, so let's go to WordPress dashboard. Now from Location Manage, click Settings. Now let's open Pop-up tab, and from here, at first you need to enable the pop-up, and from template selection, you can select the template. Let's choose Modern. Now click Save Changes. Now let's visit the shop page to see the pop-up appears for customers. You can also place the location selector anywhere on your website using a shortcode. Just copy the shortcode and paste it anywhere on your website. Now click Publish. You can also select location from here. Let's click on it. The product will automatically change. You can also allow customers to select their location directly on the product page. To do this, at first go to WordPress dashboard. From Location Manage, open Settings. Here, open Location Info Management tab. From Location Selection Display, here you will find the option Display Location on Single Product. Let's enable this option. From here, you can also choose Location Display Position. It could be after product title, after product price, before Add to Cart button, or after Add to Cart button, or in product meta section. And from here, you can also choose Location Selector View. It could be List View, Button Style, or Select Drop Down. And you can also hide out of stock locations if you want. So then you need to click Save Changes. Now visit any shop page and open any product. Now you will see the option to select the location directly on the product page. This is how the Frontend Location Selector helps customers choose their store location easily and ensures they see the right products and the right stock for that location. So that's how you can let customers choose their store before they start shopping.